Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we are presenting a tutorial video on Skydroid H12 Pro Ethernet port sharing for data and video transmission. Skydroid H12 Pro remote control is equipped with wireless high-definition image transmission technology independently developed by H12 technology, which combines remote control, data, and image links into one. Features adaptive frequency band capabilities that automatically switch to the frequency with the least interference, and the communication distance can reach up to 10 kilometers. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to wire it up? How to present it? What products will be used in this test? Products used in this test include H12 Pro Remote Controller CA8 Mini CUAV-X7+. Cables used include 8-signal transmission cable, 8-power cable, X260 to JST adapter, H12 Pro S.Bus Plus Telem cable, CUAV-X7+ power module, H12 Pro Ethernet cable. How to wire it up? Connect the S.Bus port and telemetry port of the H12 Pro to the RC port and Telem port of the CUAV-X7+ flight controller respectively. The H12 Pro uses a DuPont 2.54mm 6-pin connector. The Telem port on the CUAV-X7+ uses a GH 1.25 6-pin connector. The RC port on the CUAV-X7+ uses a DuPont 2.54mm 3-pin connector. Connect the signal transmission port of the CA8 Mini to the Ethernet port of the H12 receiver. The A8 uses a GH 1.25 9-pin connector. The H12 receiver uses a DuPont 2.54mm 4-pin connector. Connect the power module to the battery to supply power to the CUAV-X7+ flight controller. Connect the other end of the power module to the adapter, and use the A8 power cable to supply power to the gimbal. The A8 power cable uses SH 1.25 4-pin and JST 2.54mm connectors. Finally, make a custom cable to connect the H12 Pro ground-end Ethernet port to the PC Ethernet port. The H12 Pro ground-end Ethernet connector is a GH 1.25 4-pin. This cable needs to be made according to the wiring diagram. RJ45 pin assignments are 1 equals RX, 2 equals RX plus, 3 equals TX, 6 equals TX plus. How to present it. Set up the gateway on the computer. Click on Settings on your computer, go to Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings, then click Ethernet and edit the More Adapter options under Ethernet. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, select Use the following IP address. IP address 192.46.8.144.200. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.144.1. Click OK after configuration. Enter the Q ground control ground station. Should connect automatically. If it does not connect automatically, click the application settings in the top left corner. Then go to communication links, click add. Give it any name, set type to UDP, port to 14550, and server address to 192.168.144.10, then click Add Server and finally click OK. In the Communication Links interface, click Connect. Return to the flight screen. We can move the flight controller and observe the real-time status in the ground station. Click the top left to enter settings. Go to the RC calibration screen and we can see that the S.bus control is functioning correctly when we move the remote sticks. Next, open VLC Media Player. Go to Network Stream Settings and enter the RTSP address of the C-A8 Mini. This will allow us to see the video feed from the A8 Mini. The same operation can be performed in Q ground control by entering the A8 Mini RTSP address, and it will also display the video feed. That concludes our tutorial video on using the Skydroid H12 Pro Ethernet port for shared data and video transmission. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.